Good morning. It's like a weirdly rainy day today. Like, the sky is still pretty bright, but it was thundering and lightning, and there is actual liquid from the sky. I woke up this morning and I was like, I want to be pink. I want to be soft. I'm a princess. So, that's what we're gonna do. But, it's kind of hard when the sky wants to be gray. So let's just get into it. I don't really have anything I want to talk about, but I might talk about some stuff. Who knows? Who knows? Editing Megan will know. I do my makeup like every 3 or 4 days. Sometimes longer stretches in between, but for the most part, every day, every other day. You'd think I'd be able to consistently come out with a product this route. Consistent. Anemic. Oh, my face is so lopsided. Oh no. I don't have any makeup remover. I need to wash my makeup cloths. They're gross. Truly gross. Okay, so I know previous videos I've had a lot of brush talk in them. This is my favorite. This is my favorite brow brush that I've had. It's delightful. It's really thin. You can get really sharp lines. I haven't been able to find one in all the brush kits that I've purchased that is sharp like that, but like I need to try something because she's broken and sad. I really do need that like counterbalance weight. So we're just gonna try this one. I'm gonna do the Rosario style of putting lash glue in there so that it like makes the tip as thin as possible, and just try for the best. It's like I don't like using that scrawny looking brush, but also that's how I've done my eyebrows for the past 4 years. Oh my god. It's better, but it's not great. I don't know. Maybe I just need to. It's like cursive. I just need to sit down and just draw eyebrows on it until they're both the same shape / size. Because no, ma'am. Maybe I should also stop shaving so much with this tail off. I don't know. I feel like they're even. Who knows?
using kind of a fake gradient here because between the red, the orange, and the yellow, you can't do it.
A flower, springtime, romance. I'm not good at halo eyes, and I always try them. I only kind of half-assed it this time. I'm really not good at that, and I need to get better. I need to put in the work. So maybe that's the skill for July, is to just get better at halo eyes. I don't have that. I don't have that skill. Baby. I am my baby.
Rectangle onto my board.
Okay.
There you go. American flag. But this is only a half.
I'm gonna do my base off camera, and I'll come back if I do anything exciting, new, or revolutionary. I doubt it, but we'll come back. Okay, I'm back. Not reinventing the wheel or anything. Just gonna. Oh, I have an idea. I'm gonna take these and make friends. Alright. Let's get into the under eye. I'm gonna take Get Lost. I love this glitter so much. And I like this brush because it's got like a dense tip to it. It's really thick. I'm gonna the way it feels, it just itches just right. Glitter and a pinky under eye. I'm gonna put some in. Down a little bit, but we have to do contour and blush, which just so I know, just so that I don't get like 3 months in line. I'm so excited for it. I got a new contour palette because the one that I normally use, really like. I'm excited to find it was only like $2. I found this when I was up in Baltimore, and I was going to get more of it. This summer. Oh, that's gonna look like a beard. I was gonna get some more this summer, but obviously not traveling. So, just gonna. I don't really always do around my chin anymore. also don't do my nose that much. I like my nose a little more structure. But I won't like dye. Contoured. So I had to try something new. That's how I ended up here. I like that. Bam. Oh, it feels a little better on the skin. I'm wearing a matte primer today instead of a dewy elf one. Jesus Christ, I'm looking at the spot where I kind of put too much contour and I'm like, God, beard. Not be bothered to try. Today's also big lash day because I will not be silenced. I'm telling you, a good drugstore gloss, the wettest thing you've ever seen. So wet. It's drowning. Children in Africa are drowning. Alright, we're gonna do some bottom lashes, and I have to focus on that, so we're gonna go into speed up mode. But prepare. Just know that it's 15 minutes uninterrupted of me picking out rhinestones and then proceeding to pick out bottom lashes.
You should get it. I feel like in my other Pat McGrath videos I said they're not for beginners, and they, like, once I changed the way I thought about them, they really are, because you don't have to do a lot on a lid to make it look good. So you really can just use two. I can see and I can hype you up. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to click the notification.
Well, this is kind of it. I'm living. I don't know about you, but I'm living. I did three, I can count. 3 under eyelashes, a small, and then 2 mediums. And then I put a rhinestone in the center because, God, I love that look. I love that look. And then these lashes, and it's time to vamp. It's time to absolutely stun. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. However, I do post every Monday at 12 p.m. Sometimes it's a Wednesday bonus video. Who knows? Like and subscribe. Bye.